Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings. We will begin with customization of this mode. So let's localize the display option and the night light. So basically in this device the night light is the same mode as the eye comfort, simply different name. Of course you can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light, so I highly recommend to use it. It will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So we can customize it, just tap on this night light, and as you can see we've got this switcher thanks to which we can adjust the intensity. By going to the left we can make it much cooler. It is visible, but it is a really light tint of the color, and by going to the right you can make it much warmer. Of course set it just like you want to, just match your preferences. Then we can schedule the feature. So the none option is, I would say, a manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply and the mode accordingly. And you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically this means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you, of course. And this is the whole customization in this device. So we do not have a lot of other options to personalize, but that's okay. Now let me show you much faster access to this feature. So simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it fully to open this full section with the icons, and you could probably saw that the night light was not available here. It appeared right here after when we scrolled down this panel. It is because we started this tutorial with the customization, so your device decided that it has to apply here. So if you are not really sure about manually adding this icon here, then I highly recommend to start with the settings and just customize this night light. Your device will automatically add this icon. So all we have to do is to tap on it to apply it. We can clearly see the difference on the letters, which are not white anymore, they're really orange, and we can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.